Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple cobbler that's gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free. This apple cobbler is really good for being gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free. My whole family loved it and no one could tell it was gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then wash and dry the apples. You can use any firm cooking apples you like, and you can use 4 or 5 depending on how much apple filling you like. Then peel them if you like, and core and chop them. Then place the chopped apples into a large bowl and add in the organic cane sugar, or you can use white sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan. Pour the apple filling into the pan and set it aside for now. Then for the cake topping, in a medium bowl, add in the 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. I'll put a link to the kind I'm using in the description box, but you can use any 1-to-1 gluten-free flour you like. And add in the organic cane sugar or white sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the melted vegan butter, applesauce, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until they're just combined. Then pour the batter into the pan on top of the apple filling. Spread it out until it's even, and bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the apples are tender and soft and the cake topping is nicely browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool for 10 minutes. And it's best served while it's still warm. And that's how to make apple cobbler that's gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.